Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make shape to image in Photoshop. Here I already created a new document and select a polygon tool from the toolbar and created a shape, and you can change this color. I do this. And if you wanna small to large this shape, then drag and drop in the circle and select move tool for the middle point. Go to the file menu, click on the place inverted and place your image. Go to the layer panel, decrease opacity and increase opacity. Go to the layer menu of the top bar, click on the created clipping mask. Here we make a shape to image. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.